Two of them.
There's one underneath the car.
Look on the other. Look at the other part of the car.
Look at my car. Look up on my car.
Holy Toledos!
Holy Toledo. Okay, my car's cleaned up. I totally just
Where's my other
karate
kid?
chop kicked that mosquito.
Austin. Reese. Look behind your mama's tire. Watch out, Bryson, watch out!
Just helping you look.
I don't know what it is.
Where are they? Let me look over here. Hold it. Sit still. Just look right here. Look right over here. Look right there. See the truck?
Yeah.
See it? You see the one right by the wheel over there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, go get that one.
Do you know how many pictures we have found of you doing that? Holy crap.
Doing what?
He's behind everybody's basket.
Bryson, come here. Look, did you see it? Did you see it, Bryson? Wow. Yo, oh, there it is. There, go.
What happened, Mike?
Oh, I don't have one.
Look over there on Annie Killen's car.
Over there.
Reese, I spy. Reese, what your dad's doing. Reese, I
Bryson,
spy.
Bryson, come here.
I spy.
Here.
You stealing people's eggs? Yeah. Remember how mad Erica?
Oh, man, Erica got mad.
Did you find yourself?
Apparently something happened between her and me. The whole world.
Wow, buddy.
Who?
You made a killing. Wow, look what you got.
And what's inside?
Go, Brycey.
There's money.
Money.
Thank goodness, huh?
Wow.
Oh, to keep the drama off because everybody reads it.
Look how many you have. Look how many I have. You guys are gonna have. If you, I got real.
Your kids are like the egg whores.
I
How many you got?
any.
Reese's are all the empty plastic.
Hey, there's
Are
some
there?
there's some candy over there.
Yeah.
There, I don't think there's any down there, guys.
They didn't put any down there. Up here, dude. Did they find the real ones?
Look right in there. See if there's one right there. You see it?
Reese, there's none down there, honey. You need to look up here.
You see one? You see one, Bryson?
Stop it!
Did you get one?
Some things never change and some people
Yeah.
don't grow up.
But Reese
Those
got
kids don't get any.
Reese got all the empty plastic eggs.
Did he? Yeah.
I was gonna
I
help
found
you
one.
too, but I couldn't get this
I
back.
found one.
Reese! Hey, good night.
I think you guys did a good job.
I got money.
Let me see how many you got. Wow, you got a whole bunch too, buddy.
Caramel eggs?
How many does Reese have?
Reese got a whole bunch. Well, but I think you got all.
Got the empty one?
Yeah.
Oh, give me a rifle. Oh. Oh.
Come on, you have a bag full.
Yeah, but I haven't found any others. What?
Give me your rifle, somebody.
Why?
Nice.
Really?
Right on.
What
did you get, bud?
Stepped on it. There it is. Look, Eagle.
Are they really all empty?
Yes. What'd you get? 2.
Take some. Austin got a whole bunch.
Why?
Bryson has some too.
Reese! here.
Well, where are they at?
Bray's
Fill 'em
gonna
with
have a whole
something.
bunch of them. They can share.
Uncle Paul, we should go get a bunny costume and pretend like you're the Easter
Yeah, I
bunny.
know, that'd be
You
funny,
should go
huh?
get a bunny. You should go right now and get a bunny
I know.
costume.
I have one in the back of my truck.
Do you really?
Reese, come on, get up here.